Good morning. In today's video, we're going to look at the Pano function in the camera app of your iPhone or your iPad. This is a really cool function for the holiday season because you can get a picture of everybody, friends and family gathered around the table after enjoying a wonderful meal. So let me show you how to do it. I'm going to open my camera app, and that's the little camera on a gray background up in the upper right hand corner. You see is my table with my family and friends gathered for Thanksgiving dinner. Now, I want to get them all in one shot. Pretty hard to do. So I'm going to switch to Pano. And if you look right below the image, you will see my choices. I'm on photo now. I'm going to move to portrait to Pano. And when I move to Pano, the first thing you have to remember is that the device, the iPhone or the iPad, must be in portrait mode, or it must be vertical. It won't work on landscape mode. You will notice there's a hint right in the middle of the screen which says move the iPhone continuously when taking a panorama. You will also notice right above that there's a yellow line with a white arrow. That's my guide. I want to keep that white arrow right centered on that yellow line. And if I don't, I'll get a message. And I might get some distortions, which make for interesting and funny pictures, but not something you want to frame for this year. Right to the left of that white arrow, you can watch the picture or the image emerge. So let's get started. I'm going to get it centered. Notice the arrow is pointing to the right, so I'm going to move the camera to the right. If I wanted to go this way, I would start it and turn the arrow around, tap it, and it would go the other direction. But I tend to like to go left to right. So here we go. I'm going to tap the shutter, which is the white circle down at the bottom. And I'm going to move slowly. I do not want to move quickly. If I move too quickly, I will get blurs. And I'll also get a message that says you need to slow down. So I'm going to go slowly. There's Papa Frog and our angels. And I'm going to keep going past the little kids. And now I'm at the end. Everybody is in the picture. So I'm going to tap the square, which is the shutter. It stops it. Now, down in the lower left-hand corner is the thumbnail of my picture. Going to tap it. And you can see that I have a lovely panorama. So try it out this holiday season, or anytime you have a beautiful scene in front of you or a group of people where you want to capture everybody. It's very easy to use. Just keep it steady and slow. That's it for now.